Rainy, madam?
Yeah. Yes, I am.
You're Rosie, right? You know I am?
You are Sam Kumar.
Yes, come on.
Yes, come on.
One thing you should know, Rosie. You're doing things in that forest without any weapons. But we are ambitious on our mission.
Yes, the scammers have informed me.
We have a strong hideout.
You know, the found you people arranged is not enough.
I think in 2 days the problem will be rectified. They are working on it now.
Is the thief at court?
They will neither confess nor reveal the involvement or hide out from my group.
Nob's that. How will you transfer our balance fund? Look, I will stay my hotel room on beach for 2 more days. You arrange it in the meantime. In flight, I will leave for Chhattisgarh and then from there to Kashmir.
Then I think we can discuss with the group there.
No way. My tourist visa ends after 6 days. That I have to fix, and finally so many deals.
Then you do one thing.
What?
With the fund we already transferred, you provide us with some latest dictionary I'm sent. Like that?
2 HR4P pistol?
What is that?
You can shoot from long distance. If you pinpoint that accuracy, no sound and no smoke. You can dismantle it into 4 pieces and use it as mobile phone, lighter and pens.
But not only pistols. We need some LMGs and mortars. Because we are need in arms.
Surely, I will arrange Sam Kumar.
But above all these, we badly need you arranged. Interaction meeting with the groups in Chhattisgarh and Kashmir.
Surely, but let me see your fund and operations.
Have you shaved? Yes, I did shave. It is good for cleanliness and body odor.
Yeah, it is good only because we are in the forest, right? So we really need it. Whatever the professor said is right only. We don't have any other choice to establish our name at present.
That is the need of the hour.
No other way. We have been talking about Busha politicians. It's better to fix them as the first target at present. See, Professor has said it earlier.
This is not so easy, sir.
That is not an obstacle. That is only our policy.
It may be our policy so, but very few chances of success. And we can be robbed also. We want to think about our pre-incidents.
Okay, you should understand one thing. Did we decide to get defeated, you tell me? And our operations are not similar to what the previous people did. We are all using ultra-modern weapons, and ultra-modern technique is our method. This forest is not going to be our final camp. There are a lot of splinter groups, and we all have joined together to make a nationwide ambush. That is our dream. And that is the only way to save this nation from the present fascist state. That is what we are going to do, and that is what we are trying. It is an inevitability.
Also to help us and to join our team. Within the country and outside of the country, a lot of people are waiting for us.
Yes, the discussions are going on.
Okay, we agree. But the surprise movement of the spy police, how will we prevent from that?
For that, first of all, we should abandon the mobile phones, okay? But Santosh, when you're going to town, you just use it. Else leave it.
Definitely.
Yes.
Next, what's our fund position?
I have calculated our online scam amounts as on yesterday.
How much we have?
Only from the bank accounts of Bhusha politicians. Our scam has collected 2.5 crores.
2.05 means...
Approximately 305,000 US dollars.
Okay. Enough for the time being. So, Daredevils, tomorrow afternoon, I'm gonna meet Rosie. Once the meeting is getting over, Daredevils will be armed. No strain.
No strain.
We will be killed.
We will be killed.
But we don't mind.
But we don't mind.
Pain is less.
Pain is less.
Death is near.
Death is near.
But we don't fear.
But we don't fear.
No strain.
No strain.
Look at this currency.
Yeah. Yeah, get him in, please. Yes, he's coming now. Please sit here. Sam Kumar, this is Native.
You are also from our place, right?
Yeah. So we will provide you the required arms and the training will be given by us. For that you want to provide us the bank details and you want to submit your legal passport to us. That for emergency.
If they are caught,
You don't want to worry. I have 2 passports. I have terror-fixed nearly 18 people from India to Afghan and to Syria. All of them have 2 or 3 passports. They will not come back. But we have to do out trafficking. So, bank transaction is also inevitable. So, take it as a bridge. Agreed?
agreed.
Everybody in position. They should be around here. Shoot below waist! He's on. 5 for leg. Yes, come on. Look, he's there. Careful, careful.
Sir, he is a real gorilla.
No. Don't taste. He's armed. And this is his stronghold.
Who? Who are you?
Put out that light. Put out that light. They will be somewhere around here.
Who?
Police. Government police.
Sridhar uncle? Sridhar uncle? Come here, please. Come this side. Please tight dress this wound with this cloth,
What?
uncle, please. Please tight dress this wound with this cloth, uncle. Please come and tight it, uncle.
Oh God.
Are your hands clean?
It is clean.
Please take that piece of cloth. Fast.
Do you feel pain? Paining?
You dress down there.
That's what I'm doing. I'll come now.
Do you have severe pain?
You see, that is not an ordinary wound.
I think you need to be hospitalized.
I have to execute so many missions.
So?
Being in the hospital and arrested by the police are all the same only. That is why I have pulled out myself. The bullet hit here.
Why the police fired at you?
Can you verify the make and the caliber of this bullet now?
That it is going to be really trouble. Who is this fellow?
Let him be anybody. At present, he is injured and cannot walk on his way.
That is the trouble. It's a severe injury. Needs serious treatment. It is better to take him to a hospital.
Oh, but not so serious. Uncle, try to sleep now. After all, you have to get up in the morning, na?
Hey,
What?
what's your name?
Sophia.
Haven't you slept, Sophia?
Why I was called?
Is Sophia an ardent believer of God? Can your God wipe out the savage fascist, the cruelties within and outside of the country? Tell me, is it possible or not?
I am not so educated, sir.
It's possible one and only with this. Don't worry. This is out of bullets.
I'm not understand anything, sir.
If you can put out this candle, I can just try to sleep.
Is this uncle?
Show me. Huh? Oh, not this.
Is there a story in your Hindu Purana that the dead Hanuman was resurrected by giving some herbal? What is that?
Not Hanuman. Lakshman gave it. Mrita Sanjeevani was given to Lakshmanan and it saved his life. Ravanan's son Indrajit had hit Lakshmanan with an arrow. So Hanuman went and brought it. Which one? That.
But without any herb, Jesus resurrected Lazarus. And by applying mud paste, he gave vision to the blind, you know.
Could be true. I got it.
Where is it?
Look. Some more will be here. Yes. One more. It will be here somewhere. Take this and squeeze.
This is enough.
Not enough. Some more.
He might surely have fallen somewhere.
A small piece of iron was taken out of his thigh, this much.
Something like nail, right?
If it is not rusted, then he won't get septic.
Seems the person is of a different character. Also, he should have some high education.
Younger generation definitely would have read. What are you talking?
Anyway, uncle, you don't tell anybody that such a man is staying here. He will vacate himself when the wound is healed and he can walk. It is a big wound, right? Let him go when he is healed.
To whom will I tell? And which neighbor is talking to me, you tell me? And people who come here and pray to the Holy Cross comes only once in a blue moon. You also take some more. Take this too. Yes, put it in.
What is this?
It's a herbal juice.
Should I have to drink?
No, to apply on the wound.
We'll just ignore it and we'll go ahead with our works. Okay. If you want, you can just go ahead and apply. But I accept your hospitality. Okay, take off that.
Yes, it is largely healed. Shall I bring tea for you? Because you don't like me to hold you to walk.
Not like that actually. But I have experienced this kind of wounds earlier in my life.
My husband was the legal heir of this whole land. But after his death, I have not proceeded to own it. There is a little cardamom field that was deeded to him before his death, and that yield is my only wellhood. But I don't know the accounts of that income and all. Everything is as Sridhar uncle says. Sridhar uncle is so innocent. My husband trusted him very much. So I too started trusting him. Innocent uncle. He has nobody else. Why did you stop here? Is your leg paining?
No pain or pleasure can affect me at any time, Sophia. Okay, shall I ask you one thing now? On what trust and strength have you lodged me in your home now?
The person who saw tasked behind the holy cross to escape. I believe that he could never be troublesome, and I know that.
You know, because the moneylender and the tax collector fear at least a little of it.
But had you not been from the cross, I would not have brought you home and definitely would not cared you like this.
Then what sense in saving me? People like me who are committed in missions like this will not worry about the life and the death. But still, we will face everything boldly.
I feel scary now,
Of what?
just of your life.
I think it should be able to walk in 4 or 5 days, correct?
I don't know.
Then do one thing. Take this, go boil it well and cool it, and then apply it on the wound. Go. What can I say?
No pain will feel at night if you applied this on the wound before sleep.
Considering your annexity and requirement, Mr. Wilford, I have intercepted so many letters and communications as a Central Intelligence Officer.
I'm just a normal inspector, but I'm sure that the higher officials of FBI wouldn't have made so many interceptions in their career, and I'm very sure about that. Look, ma'am, as per the state intelligence report, this group is still active, and we're also sure that they are in possession of arms. They have flow of funds, good network connections, immediate operations. It is our responsibility to know all these things. And we should never allow their operations in this country because they are the enemy of our government. So if even God leaves them alone, the government will not.
Okay, Inspector. I will update you on receipt of further informations.
Okay. It is high time these intelligence bureau guys stop political intelligence and start doing something good like this, isn't it?
The IB personnel are trained by the KGB of the Soviet Union.
Okay then.
Okay.
I have not slept the other night. With killing, paining, and harming anybody, we cannot anything be attained, right? Should a man kill some other man? We should not harm others. And I cannot bear you doing such a harming things. Therefore, your pain is also unbearable to me.
Pain? Do you know what is the definition at present? Do you know the shape and feel of the pain of this generation now? The pain silently provided by the governments from time to time. Do you know anything about that? What is on my leg or arm is not at all a pain. This pain indicates a very big pain. That is my obligation. And for that my means is arms alone. Victory or defeat, I'm not at all thinking about that. Do you know how many victories have been made by the arms till now? When you talk about the armless struggles right now, you should also know the number of the armed victories. So therefore, Sophia, how many people are killed, how much blood is spilled and all, it's a childish arguments only. If you think a little deeper about this, you will understand that. Also, Sophia, at present, I have changed back to old Sam Kumar. At present, I am healthy only. But still, if anyone is chasing me, I can't just go ahead and compete with them because of this situation. And that's the reason I was staying in your home. But now I have to go back.
Will you ever recollect?
This is not at all important, Sophia. Whatever I have told you now, just think about it deeply.
Do you have father, mother, sibling, family?
I'm not at all remembering about that. Tonight I'll leave this house. I have already lost a lot of days, you know. Light is not so safe here, Sophia.
Police will not come here.
I hope you will understand my words. Don't tell anybody the fact that I have stayed here, okay? Never. Never ever recollect anything, Sophia.
Oh God, it's police.
Come here.
What, sir?
What's your name?
Sir, my name is Mutraj, sir.
Mutturaj. Nice name.
Thank
What do
sir.
you do for a living?
Sir, I am a freelancer, sir.
Oh, good. Looks like everybody's in a nice mood, huh?
No.
And then I've come here to get some information.
What, sir?
What, sir?
The issue is, has anybody come here and told you that they will help you, or they will clear out all the problems that you have, or has somebody told that they will save you from all the threats that are around here? Do you guys remember anyone like that? Someone in the recent past? Just refresh your memory.
No, sir.
Something like someone comes here asking for help, and in return they also try and give you back some help in the recent past.
No, sir. Nobody came like that, sir.
Help does not merely mean cash. Can be ornaments or any valuables.
No, sir. Nobody approached like that, sir.
It's okay, but you have to be very careful. In case you come across somebody like this, asking for some money or some help, you know what to do?
We don't know. We don't know, sir.
Don't do anything. Just inform the police about this.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
And then this information has to be passed on to everybody.
Sure, sir.
Okay, sir.
And one more thing. Myself and the government will always be with you.
Yeah.
No doubt.
Sure, sir.
What is it talking about?
Hey, come on, man. He is just an circle inspector. No way to be as a DOSP.
Yes.
In brief, with cooperation of the villagers, this is a new method of police to catch us. We should be very prepared.
I strongly doubt that in the neighboring states they have started combing operations for us. We should shift out from this place immediately.
Sam, are you taking my words as very silly?
Did you think that the government will simply be inactive? Especially after that encounter? Armed operations. That too happened in front of us right here. You still remember that? What we are going to do for that? We should be equipped.
Yes, sir. I had contacted Naseer.
What you said and what he said.
I asked him AK-47 and he also agreed.
Good. Anyway, let's go ahead.
Of course, he is not from a family of poverty, or of social backwardness, or negligence.
He acquired graduation from Madras Christian College and post-graduation from the JNU Delhi in economic science. Anyway, Mr. Inspector, this is not going to be a kid's game.
I know that.
Do you know? In the last 2 weeks, through the online banking, fraud transaction of multi-millions have been carried. Because the cheated people are really high-profile politicians. That's why they didn't leaked. I mean, has not let leaked. So, definitely, this money will go to the hands of illegal arms dealers. And at this point of time, nobody can prevent it. Never allow this to grow as an insurgency, Mr. Inspector.
Definitely not. See you later.
Good.
One political murder should do the trick this time. Do you understand the importance of it, Sam Kumar?
Whatever the action government is going to take against us will be slowed down, right?
Exactly.
Fine, then I'll do one thing. It is not a big deal. I'm gonna meet Najib and Rosie tomorrow itself, alright? Because we badly need LMGs and mortars.
We got to get the transportation details.
Just to discuss about it, I'm going there.
Okay.
If possible, I'll try to have a tie-up with the Peer Panjar group in Kashmir, okay? Because we have to establish the operation expertise, okay?
Correct. No strain.
No strain.
No strain.
Sir, we have completely covered this area. No, sir. We are trying to catch them alive. Sir.
Yes, Tata. Nothing will happen to me. Be bold, honey. No need to call me again. Okay. Bye.
Sir, we have covered the entire road. So you please put pressure. I mean, you also. Cover your road.
Sir, do not worry about those roads, sir. All the other roads are fully covered, sir. Though it is another state, we also have the responsibility.
Well done. Thank you.
No one can escape through this route, sir. Believe me, sir. I am sure, sir.
Hey, look there.
Yes.
Sam. Police. Come, let's go.
Now it is danger to walk together. Let us
Yes,
part, okay?
you are right.
Go.
Sir, Tamil Nadu police are checking, so we can't go there. Please get down.
Is there any other route to reach the next town?
No other way, even to walk. Get down.
Have this. Hey, stop please. No strain.
No strain.
Yes, Santosh.
No way. That side, Kerala police patrolling is
And
there.
this side is fully Tamil Nadu police. If it is like this, how will transport arms? Immediately 12 AK-47 and ammunitions should be transported by Najib. Kashmir's Peer Panjab group is transporting through Mangalapuram port at present.
Sam, this place is not secured for us. Come, let's go. Oh, Professor didn't take sugar tablets for 4 days.
He has not had food for 2 days.
The police has fully covered all the 3 sites. We are here. Then how can we get it?
In this situation, I don't think we can execute the ambush plot.
Control your tongue with your mind.
We are not doubtful of our mission, but vehement.
I think it is time to use it now. Government has covered and cornered us here in this place. Only this blast alone can escape us.
You are right.
But the blast should definitely happen only in a sensitive area. There are a lot of reasons for it. Of course, what you mentioned is one. That is our way out. The next blast must turn the public against the government. It should happen.
Definitely.
Which area suits the most for this activity? Tell me.
According to the Indian concept, of course, religion and the politics.
The truth is, Samkumar, most of the Indians are very poor because they blindly follow these two. That is why the explosions must take place only in the religious institutions, you know.
We cannot make a move from here. Then how it is possible, Professor?
Santosh, wait. Can we find our way out through this forest to a religious institution nearby? Tell me, where is such a place? That is the best for us, because that is the nearest, and that will be our most sensitive and most successful point.
Which place?
The wooden cross. Cross made of wood. All the people respect it very religiously.
I'm coming from the Holy Cross.
Do you go there every day?
Yes. And after your coming, I keep punctuality also.
Is it the same time? Oh,
Was not punctual actually.
do you go there once in a day or what? What about the evening time?
Not after your coming.
You are serious in thinking about something?
I've just remembered one thing.
What?
Actually, I was hiding behind that wooden cross only.
That is immaterial, Sam Kumar. You don't go after useless sentiments.
Mr. Sam Kumar, sentiments are excuses and explanations of idiots. But we are not that.
Leave it, Professor.
Anyhow, we only have to fix it. That wooden cross will be the target of our explosion.
But there is a small problem.
What is that?
The timer was fault in that device. Without the timer,
That can be fixed. At present, we'll shift to some other place, alright? I think this is the best point.
I think it's okay.
What do you think?
After repairing the timer, we will meet here. We will connect the timer here. And then we will go to the cross. Is it okay?
Okay.
No strain.
No strain.
Do or
Die.
I'll meet you.
Remember, they are not dangerously armed. But they have only mobilized funds. They don't have lethal weapons. But still, they should be having some basic weapons. So, try to catch them alive, unless you are retaliated. Because these guys are not our ultimate target. We need to take everybody from the group who is operating within and out of country.
Yes, sir.
Carry on!
Okay, sir.
Huh?
We can't find what happening.
Come on! Move and catch them!
Come on.
We should ask him to surrender. Come on! Come on! Get up! Get up! Where is Sham Kumar? Don't move. Hey! Hold it.
I'm a chronic diabetic patient. I have not taken food for 2 days. Last 5 days there was no medicine.
Where is Sham Kumar?
I am here. I am Professor Ram Naresh. That's all.
Tell me, Professor, where is Sham Kumar? Professor? Professor Ram Naresh? Sir?
Sridhar uncle, call the police. Oh Jesus.
Sophia, I'm Sam. Sophia, I'm Sam Kumar. Come quickly. Come and open the door.
What is this at midnight? What is this? Oh my Jesus, what is this?
Switch off that light.
Any danger?
I haven't taken any food for last 2 days.
Please wait, I shall bring. Only this is left. I shall bring water to drink.
Oh,
Where are you? Breakfast.
I'm coming. Where is Sridhar and uncle?
Gone to Cardamom Field.
Oh,
After settling the cardamom accounts and purchasing the household things, he will come back only after 10. Then on some days he will buy newspaper also for me to read.
Hey,
What, uncle?
did you see the newspaper today?
What's the news, uncle?
In Kurinji Forest, police found a dead body, a professor's body.
From our Kurunji forest?
Yes, that is what I'm saying. Look at this newspaper. Police are also not saying anything. The journalists who went there were also scared off by the police. You see, I'll go outside, inquire about it and come back, okay?
Yes, go. You're narrowly escaped, right?
I haven't escaped fully.
What are you saying?
Sister, come here, please.
What, sir?
Nothing to worry about, but taking care of the security of people like you and seeing to it that your life is very peaceful is the job that I am doing.
Yes, sir. But what is the problem now?
I'll tell you. In the recent past, we have been noticing that within this forest, there is some problem of a Naxalite group. For now, it is okay. I have uprooted the whole problem. But it's not completely solved. We are looking to nab the guy who is the main culprit. His photo has been published near the church and in the market area also. Next time you go to the market, I would want you to take a look at the photo. Just try and recognize that face, okay? Once he's escaped from here, I don't think he'll come back.
I shall take care, sir.
Only if we are able to nab him, we can make everything very secure, okay?
Yes, sir.
Ajay? One more thing. Tell everyone who is there at home about this, so that they can also remember the face in the photo.
Yes, sir. Where are you? Where you gone? Where are you? Not seen anywhere here?
I'm here.
Huh? Did you scared? Really scared, right?
I was not scary earlier. But now, I don't know exactly.
Feeling fear is also good.
My daughter.
Oh, you came back?
Yes, I have come back.
Where were you so far?
Why did you ask for a good cow's meat, you tell me?
What is the problem now?
I've been searching for it all over town.
Then did you get it?
Yes, got it.
Good.
Hey, look here, one more thing. All over the town there are posters with this guy's face. Be careful. I am not able to guess what kind of crime this fella did. And they said in Kurunji forest they found a corpse, you know. Probably this guy should have done it, that's what I think. Okay. I'm not thinking about that.
Shit. God, every time this.
Whom did you call now?
You don't know about that guy, Sophia.
I'm a woman who widowed at my early age. After that, I have abandoned a colorful life. Therefore, the police arresting me and imprisoning me are not of my worry. But you, whom I saved and gave back your life once, After that, police arresting you, jail. Oh no, the police somehow troubling you. It's all my worry.
I'm trying to call a person who is with me, Santosh. I don't know whether he has got or been killed. I've given an important mission to him.
What mission?
That's an important matter. But at present, I'm not sure he is alive. Now the professor is dead. He was our theoretical leader. Also others. Don't know where are they exactly. They should have been arrested by now. I'm also in the same position.
Cannot you live peacefully now?
It's impossible hereafter. Even the state government can pardon me. But the central investigation. If I get caught by them, they'll tear me inch by inch.
Let me ask you one thing.
What's that?
I'm not so learnt actually. Therefore, if my question is foolish, please pardon me.
Come on, ask me.
Have you ever felt a little sympathy for anybody ever? I mean to say, compassion at anybody's grief?
No one like that.
Are you willing to abandon everything old?
There's nothing useful to think about it. Okay, I'm gonna sleep peacefully now.
Today is my happiest day in my life. Therefore, let me go to the same place where I met you for the first time.
Are you crazy? Running so light, huh? What a cruelty!
Hey, who done this?
We don't know. It's a big explosion. Inform the police.
Sir, don't go there.
Sir?
It is still fire.
Sir.
We have told the police. Police will come now. Don't go there.
Hmm.